Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. It's your guy J-Day back at it again. Guys, I got some more property to show you. Now, this land is maybe about an hour. You say an hour away from Puerto Plata?
Yeah.
About an hour away from Puerto Plata, countryside, next to the river. It's a lot of land for sale, and I just want to give you guys a view of this property here. So you got all this luscious land over here. Now, my friend, he knows the people that's selling this property, and they're looking for motivated buyers. So if you're motivated to live in the countryside over here, and hey, Shamo, tell the viewers the name of the community.
Okay, the name is Jamao al norte, la represa. Jamao al norte, la represa.
Okay.
That is the name. It's near to Moca, one hour to Puerto Plata.
So it's about an hour from Puerto Plata, and also you have this side over here. I believe they want to sell it all at one time, right?
Yeah, all.
They want to sell it all at one time. So I don't think that, you know, they're gonna divide this up. They're looking for somebody to buy it all. I mean, you can buy this area and develop it yourself. All of this land, and not just that, guys. Let me show y'all. It's right next to the river. Right next to the river. I'm gonna walk over to the river and show you guys. Now, this is one of my guys, Shamu. He's part of the team. This is actually his connection, and you know, he knows the people that are selling the property. And look, it's right near the river. Oh man, this is gorgeous, bro. This is gorgeous. Can we walk down?
Yeah. Every place you want, man.
Yeah.
I leave my gun home because I can't use it now.
Okay.
I ride with my gun every time.
You can fish off of. Is fishing here too?
Yeah.
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 You can fish off of here. You can go swimming. It's a natural river. You know, on Sundays the Dominicans love to do barbecue and sancocho on the river. You can do that. Oh, this is gorgeous, bro. This is nice.
Yeah.
So you have all of this land right by the river. You have access to this river here. Natural springs. Natural springs. This is man, this is amazing. This is, like I said, guys, this is about an hour away. I drove all the way out here because I got you know, clients that don't want to live near the tourist area, that prefer to live on the countryside, you know. And this is tranquilo, very, very relaxed and serene. And then you have a mountain view from the river over there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but oh man, even the drive from Puerto Plata was nice, you know. Nice location.
Check the board, man.
Look at the birds. Look at that nature right there, man. A lot of beautiful nature. This is amazing. Amazing. So if you guys are interested, I got Shamu's number. I'll put you in contact with him. He speaks a little English, but I can also hook him and Richard up, you know, as a duo, and they can come out here and show you this property. But as I said, you know, they're looking for motivated buyers, people who are motivated to buy, and they're looking to sell all of it at once. So if you're looking to purchase all of this land, I will get the information for you, and you guys let me know. And as I said, I'll put you in contact with Shamu. Shamo. And all of this comes with papers, titles,
Everything.
Deslinde too?
Yeah.
Deslinde, everything. It comes with everything, guys. So, with that being said, it's your guy J-Day out here in the country. Beautiful view, man. Beautiful. All this luscious land surrounding by the river. And then also they have like back that way, they have like, you know, cabanas and stuff where you can hang out and do your barbecue and all of that. So there is more access to the river. So I'm showing you guys this, and I got some other properties that I'm going to show you guys. So y'all stay tuned for that. It's your guy J-Day. Y'all be easy out there. Be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And I'll be talking to y'all soon. Peace and love. Okay, guys, what's going on? It's your guy J-Day once again. Shamo showed me another part of this area where the river extends, man. And this is right off the property that I showed you guys down there. And this is another part of the river. And tell the viewers again the area.
La represa, Jamao al norte. La represa, 1 hour for Puerto Plata.
1 hour. Look at all this river. Like, you have anybody that buys that property, you guys could do so much with it. I mean, you can buy it, develop it, sell pieces of the land, you know, and then the people that you know buy this area, you have access to all of this beautiful river. And it's clear as, oh my goodness. Let me jump down. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Just natural river you could just swim in. Beautiful, beautiful. And listen, guys, there's so many parts of Dominican Republic that I've never even been to this area. And the only way you would know that these places are here is if you got to know a local. You got to know a local. And I'm just thankful for my guy here, Shamo, that just, you know, brought me out here so that I can share this content with you guys and show you what you can get in the country, you know, if this is the kind of living you want for you and your family. But as I said, that land that I showed you, they want to sell it all. You know, they want to sell it all at once. So if you guys want to develop this area and make it a community, oh man, I wish I had the money too. Trust you me, I would definitely buy some of this. Definitely. If I had the money, I would buy that land. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, man. So guys, if you're interested, let me know. The owners are motivated to sell. Serious inquiries only. Okay, they're looking to sell everything at once. They don't want to break it up. They want to sell the whole land. And you could buy the whole land, and then you can break it up and sell it piece by piece if you want, and develop the area. Make it a casa linda, you know, do your HOA fee or whatever. You know, there's just so many options that you could do with this. You have a lot of options, guys, a lot of options. So as I said, let me know if you guys are interested, and I'll definitely put you in contact with the guy that knows the owners. All right, and this is Shamo. And he's part of the team now. Yeah, man. He's part of the team. So he's definitely gonna put you in contact, you know, he's definitely gonna put you in contact with the people. Yeah. Cause you know the owner, right?
Yeah, everybody here.
Yeah.
Everything good, correct, and legal. Yeah, the best.
And as I said, I have my lawyer too, you know, to do the paperwork, the contracts and all of that. I'm putting you guys in good hands. So it's your guy J-Day. And once again, here's showing you, oh man, wait, hold on. Before I close out, I want to go to that other side. Yeah. I got to go to the other side over here. Hold on, guys. Ooh, this is gorgeous, man. Look at this, guys. You could fish, you could even kayak a little bit. Natural springs. Look at that. Do your sancocho on a Sunday, your barbecue. I mean, you got a lot of options here, man. A lot. So, yeah, very nice, man. And I appreciate you bringing me out here. I really do. Oh, man, this is amazing. Amazing. But all right, guys, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Y'all be safe, y'all be easy. And if you like it, hit that like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace and love.